Hi, good day. It's Roland of Rolling YouTube channel. Into this video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Windows 10. But first, we will define first what is cache. Sometimes they call it cache, but for Windows lingo, they call it cache. So, cache is a data stored in your computer that help to make any requests for data more faster. So in other words, cache is a place where in your history, your saved password, your browsing information for forms or other data. So that the next time you access the internet, it will be more faster. So that is cache. Okay, so I will also mention what are the benefits. What are the benefits of doing or freeing or clearing the cache in Windows? So the first benefit is that it free up space on drive. So it means to say that once we clear the cache, it will add more space to our drive. Then the second benefit is that it troubleshoot any internet issues with accessing a certain website. So once we free up once we clear the cache, it will solve that issue. Then number three, of course, it will improve performance of our PC. So once we clear the cache, it will be more faster, it's more reliable in accessing a certain application, or in other words, in accessing a certain website. And then the last one is will fix certain problem like loading or formatting any issues once you clear the cache in accessing a certain website. For this video, we're going to clear a cache for three different browser. First is the Microsoft Edge, and then the second is the Google Chrome, and then the third is what we call the Firefox. So come and join me as we do the clearing of cache in Windows 10. So if you're still new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be updated on my upcoming videos. Okay, so we are now in our computer and we're going to do the clear of cache in Windows 10. So the first browser is the Microsoft Edge. So open your Microsoft Edge. In this case, this icon is our Microsoft Edge. So I will just going to open Microsoft Edge, and then the first is we're going to click these three dots. So click the three dots and then go to history, or you can go to settings. There are two ways you can do this, clicking history and then clear browsing data. But for the whole data, we can do this. We can go to settings, just click settings. So once we go to settings, we will go to privacy, search and services. Click privacy, search and services, and then go all the way down, and then you will see, so go all the way down and then you will see this clear browsing data. So just click this, choose what to clear, click this, choose what to clear, and then you have all this data that you need to clear. So by default, these are the different kinds of data: browsing history, download history, cookies and other sites, cache, the password, of course, don't clear the password. And then so if you have other data that you wanted to clear, just put a check mark. For now, I just go to clear the cache, the default data that we're going to clear. So these are the browsing history. So just click clear now. Okay, so we are just finished with the clearing of cache in the Microsoft Edge. So after that, you can close Microsoft Edge by clicking this X button to close the Microsoft Edge. And then the second browser that we're going to clear cache is the Google Chrome. So I put my mouse and then we'll see if this is a Google Chrome. Okay, so this is a Google Chrome. So how to clear the cache in Google Chrome? So same with the Microsoft Edge, but it's in the other button. So just click also these three dots and then go to more tools and then go to clear browsing data. So once you click the clear browsing data, so it will show all the data that needs to be clear. So in this case, we have this browsing history, cookies and other sites, cache images and files. So if we go in advance, so there are some other data, but I would choose not to clear my password because I usually stored my password so that I will not enter anymore my password once I go to a certain website. Okay, so by default, we'll just let this check mark and then we just clear the data. Okay, just clear the data and then boom, it's good. So the browsing data has been cleared. So if you look at the different data, so browsing history, download history, none. So we are good with the clearing data in Google Chrome. So close your Google Chrome. And then the next browser that we are going to do the clearing of cache is the Firefox. So this is Firefox. So I'd say not now. So if you see, this is the icon for Firefox. Okay, so we are now going to clear the cache for Firefox. So it's still the same location. So just click these three lines. In the previous browser, we click the three dots. In Microsoft Edge, we click the three dots. In Google Chrome, we click the three dots. And then in Firefox, we will click these three lines. So click the three lines and then go to options. Once you are in the options, go to privacy and security. So once you go to privacy and security, just move down so you can use this clear data. Then click clear, and then it will confirm you to clear all cookies and site data. And then that's the first one, and then go also all the way down, go to this history and then clear history. So in this button there are history, browsing and download history, active logins, forms and search history, cookies and cache. So if everything is okay, just clear, and we will clear the recent history. Just click OK. Then the history has been cleared. So that's the way on how to clear cache on these three different Windows browser. The first that we did is the Microsoft Edge. The second is we did the clear cache of the Google Chrome, and then the third we do the clear cache of this Firefox. So that's end our tutorial on how to clear cache in Windows 10. So if you have any question regarding on how to clear other browser, actually there are lots of browser. I just clear cache for this three popular web browser or internet browser. The three browser, that is the Microsoft Edge, and then the Google Chrome, and then the Mozilla Firefox. So if you have any question, just leave a message in the comment section and I will do my best to answer your question regarding on how to clear cache in Windows 10. Again, thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be updated on my upcoming videos. Again, thank you and a good day.